Laser cleaning technology is highly efficient, environmentally friendly, easy to operate, and non-destructive. It can be applied to aerospace, rail transit, new energy batteries, tire lining cleaning, and other fields. TIPTOP Laser, the leader in the global laser cleaning industry. Committed to providing efficient and environmentally friendly industrial automation solutions for the global manufacturing industry. Our products cover more than 100 countries around the world and are deeply trusted by customers with leading technology. As a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, production, and sales. TIPTOP Laser has a modern factory of more than 9,000 square meters, bringing together a professional laser cleaning team, R&D center, production and complete testing system. Our products have passed many international certifications such as CE, FDA, ISO 9001, etc., with a focus on the field of laser cleaning. TIPTOP Laser's core products cover a variety of laser cleaning solutions to meet the cleaning needs of different scenarios. Airtight layer laser cleaning system. Flat plate mold laser cleaning machine. Metro wheel set laser cleaning system. (100 watts to 300 watts), low power portable pulse laser cleaning machine, suitable for outdoor operations and a variety of complex environments. 200 watts to 500 watts medium power pulse cleaning equipment, focusing on small industrial scene design. 1000 watts high power pulse cleaning equipment, focusing on automatic industrial scene design. Continuous laser cleaning equipment, suitable for large-scale rust removal operations. Our equipment can accurately remove rust, coatings, oil stains, etc. on metal surfaces, and also has excellent performance on special materials such as wood. Laser cleaning technology is not only efficient, but also more environmentally friendly. With professional technical support and efficient after-sales service, our market has covered major economies such as North America, Europe, and Asia, bringing excellent value and experience to customers. In the future, TIPTOP Laser will focus on laser cleaning technology and continue to develop efficient and innovative products to help the global manufacturing industry move towards a more environmentally friendly and intelligent future. We are convinced that through the continuous upgrading of technology and services, we can create greater value for customers and promote the sustainable development of the entire industry.